Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is an impromptu video. I was in the process of making some egg rolls. Let me show you. I already got these egg rolls in here. I said maybe my honeys will want to see what I'm doing. So I had leftover egg rolls, egg roll meat. I stored it in this reusable Ziploc bag. The ones I got from Amazon. I used the scooper. I had leftover egg rolls, wrappers. 1, 2, 3. How many in here? I had 7 leftover egg roll wrappers. So I just folded a paper towel over them and put them in a regular Ziploc bag. Put them in the fridge so they're still nice and pliable. I'm surprised. So let me lower this and show you how I'm fixing the rest of these egg rolls. Okay, I already got the meat on here. See that? I wasn't letting this good stuff go to waste. Let me see how I can do this so y'all see. My hands are very clean. Washed them 3 weeks ago. Okay, what I'm doing is I folded this end up. Then I'm going to scoop the meat mixture. Roll it. It's hard to roll it in this position. I'm going to fold up this corner. Get in there. Fold up the other corner. Roll it. No, nothing on the outside of it. I got a bowl of water there. Okay. Perfectly rolled egg roll. And when you put it in the air fryer, try to put the seam down. Do this one. Scooting the meat. I always had a triangle pointed at you. Is that 1 or 2? That's 1. Y'all can't really see, but I'm doing the same thing. Rolling it a little until I'm ready to put the side up like that. Then I'm going to do the same with the other side. Roll it. With my finger. So, tip fell out. Some people use egg yolk and water. Some people use cornstarch and water and make a paste. But don't take all that. Water will work just fine. Okay. I'm rolling it before I actually tuck the ends, the corners. I'm gonna do this corner. So don't no filling fall out. Especially if you're gonna be deep frying it. You don't want the grease to get all up inside of there. And you don't want the filling to fall out. Okay. That's sealed. I'm going to clean my hands again. And go on to the next step. You know what? I think these would cook in my omelet maker. I'm going to leave 2 out. I'm going to cook these in my omelet maker just to see if it'll work. Okay, let me clean my hands and I'll be back. Oh, let me go over here. Okay. I have 5 egg rolls in my Paula Deen air fryer. I have to, what you call this thing? This tray. Setting up in the high position. I'm going to already spray the tray. crisper tray, that's what you call it. So I'm going to spray the egg rolls. I didn't spray the other side of the egg rolls. They're sitting on the spray tray. Okay. These egg rolls have flour on them, so I'm just spraying the flour away, basically. And they'll crisp up and brown up. And I have foil up under the crisper tray. But easy clean up. Okay, let me put this in. And this has 3 prongs. Turn it on. Set it for the French fry setting. That's 400. And it's going to take about maybe, I'll try 10 minutes. Okay, turn it on. Always pull it away from the wall. So I want that hot air blowing on my wall peeling paint, and I don't want the hot air blowing into the outlet. I think some damage can be done. Okay, I will be back. And this is my Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer, which I love. Okay, until I'm ready to fix these extra 2 egg rolls in my omelet maker, I'm just going to store them, wrap them in paper towel, put them back in this Ziploc bag, and put them in the fridge. So that'll be another video. Okay, y'all. Stopped it at 8 minutes. Push that back. Show y'all. Nicely brown, crisp up egg rolls. This out my way. See what I'm doing here. See how this other side looks. I flipped them at 5 minutes. Nice. Both sides are nice. Still see flour on that one. Okay. And the grease is in the foil down at the bottom. Nice egg rolls. I'll cut one in case y'all didn't see my video a few days ago of me making egg rolls. And I washed my reusable Ziploc bag. I washed it. I turned it inside out, so the food was on this side. This is the out. This is the inside. I turned inside out so it can dry. Just got it standing up. Let me get a knife. So I can cut one. So y'all can see the inside. Y'all hear that? It's crispy. I'm not to tear it up. It's hot. Nice and full. It's the other half. I'm trying to. I guess this will be my thumbnail. Just a minute. It's going to be my thumbnail. Okay. I just cut them all in half. So, if you all are having a party or a big to-do or something, or you got to feed a lot of people egg rolls, I suggest cutting them in half. Okay, that way people don't have to get a whole egg roll if they don't want it, or it's ready for the sauce. Whatever dipping sauce they're going to put inside of it, it's ready. They ain't got to be biting part of it and then putting the sauce in it and all that. Okay, I'm going to try one. Okay, this is the first one I cut, so it should be cool enough to eat. This is what I'm going to put on it today. The Kinder's barbecue sauce, honey hot. So it's barbecue saucy, it's sweet, and it's hot. Usually I use that sweet chili sauce, but this got a little barbecue twang to it. Let's put it right inside, let it trickle down up in there. And this filling, it was straight out the refrigerator. It was cold, but at 8 minutes, that's all it took for this to get nice and crispy, and the filling to heat up. I didn't have to use no extra pots or nothing to heat the filling up first. I'm scared to bite it. Just as good as fresh cooked. Okay, like I said, I'm going to try. Well, I ain't gonna try. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make the other 2 egg rolls in this omelet maker. I'm gonna spray it good on each side, the top and the bottom, and put one on each side and see how it does. But that'll be another video, so watch for it. I'm always trying new things, see what will work. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you, all my subscribers and my new subscribers and the old subscribers. Thank you so much. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.